Hello, new week of vlogging. Okay guys, I am here to share with you a journey of starting a new business in a new city, in a new state where I have no friends, no connection, and no brand recognition. Guys, literally nobody knows me here. So I am sharing with you all of the steps I'm taking to start my business from absolutely zero. Okay guys, today is the day. It is a shoot day. And I am doing that here, literally in my apartment, in my living room. I'm doing it just to show you guys that you do not need to hire an expensive photographer or rent an expensive studio in order to create photo shoot for your website and your social media. But in the future, I'm totally all in for collaborations. But since I don't know anyone here yet, I am going to work with what I have. And what I have is a nice clean corner and a good lighting. So I'm going to make a magic happen. Okay, I'm going to use a lamp stand for the base of my garland so I do not damage my walls. So let's just put it together. My goal is to have some behind the scenes shots like how I'm inflating the balloons or how I'm creating a garland, and some hero shots with me. Things like Julia with some balloons in her hands. Things like Julia with the balloon garland and Julia in front of the garland, Julia with the specialty balloons, Julia. So those are the hero shots that will go on my website and my social media. So what will I be using these photos and videos for? The answer is everything. I will be repurposing the same content and use it for my website, social media platforms, and for my email marketing. There is so much you can do to utilize the same content and create so many different visuals for your brand recognition. Okay, you guys, what a day. Next, I will be concentrating on adding all of these photos to my website and creating my CRM. New day, new to-dos. I got all of my photos saved to my computer, and now I'm going to move some of them to my website. And guys, this is the big reveal. Now let's create a CRM. CRM is a great tool for creating project pipelines and keep all of your templates and contracts all in one place. The one I love using in our industry is HoneyBook, so let's create it. It is very easy to create and you can modify it in so many different ways so it suits best for your business. You can simply start with adding your contact information, then answer a couple of the questions along the way, and finish it off by adding your branding. The next step is really important, creating your contact form. This contact form then you can move to your website and create an auto response. Guys, it is so brilliant. After you're done doing that, make sure you test it so you know for sure that it works. Lastly, here on HoneyBook, I'm going to go and look through the templates that have been provided by the platform. I'm going to modify them to my likings and personalize them. And voila, you guys, I'm ready to rock. Hello to a new day. Today is going to be an organization and strategy building day. I will make my first post on Facebook and Instagram. I will also turn my service list into my price menu, and I will finish it off with a business and local events research. Now to the businesses and events in the area. Guys, it is so easy. You have all the tools and resources literally at the tip of your hand. You simply go on Google or any search engine and research for it. Here's the quick tip for you guys. If you cannot find something that you've been looking for in any of the search engines, simply try to go back in that search bar and rephrase it. You will see how a lot of times you are going to get a different result. During your research, you can find a lot of different things like grand openings in your area or local events. When you find those things, just simply go on their website, and a lot of times you can find their contact information right there on the website. But if for some reason it is not there, try their Facebook page. Most of the time you can find the contact information there. So I would do two things there. I would message them on Facebook and I would also email them. 2 out of 2, at least there's going to be one thing that they check more than the other. It is okay to get ghosted or rejected. I have reached out to several different local businesses and local events for partnership and for collaborations. So stay tuned to see what's coming and who's going to respond. And this is the end of the week 4. So you guys stay tuned, come back for the next week's vlog. This is when I am going to be going to the networking events and finally start collaborating and working with other people in the area, making connections, because remember, your network is your net worth. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. And if you do have any questions or comments, I'll see them in the comments below. Bye.